A bright, lively fruit, you can find this yellow fruit on trees any time of year. Unlike an apple or orange, you don't normally think about biting into or sucking on a slice of lemon, more so because of the sour taste. However, there are a bunch of other ways to incorporate lemon into your diet without the excess puckering, such as lemon water, freshly squeezed lemonade, lemon food recipes. Turns out, the addition of lemon in your diet can come with some benefits if consumed in moderation. Take a look to see just what lemons can do for your body, both positively and negatively. You may get immune support. According to nutrients, vitamin C is an essential micronutrient that helps with defending the natural and adaptive immune system by supporting various cellular functions. Lemons are a source of vitamin C, a nutrient known to support immune health. You may have fewer kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons can affect the pH of urine, making kidney stone development less likely. According to Harvard Health, it was discussed that lemons contain citrate salt and citric acid, which binds to calcium and helps block stone formation. Harvard Health also suggests that studies have shown drinking half cup of lemon juice concentrate diluted in water each day can increase urine citrate and likely reduce kidney stone risk. You can also drink the juice of 2 lemons. You may have healthy blood pressure. Lemons contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, a plant chemical normally found in citrus fruits. Hesperidin can be beneficial for blood vessel conditions such as hemorrhoids, varicose veins, and poor circulation. It potentially helps blood vessels function better, helping to reduce inflammation and maintain healthy blood pressure. You may experience tooth erosion. Although it comes with a lot of benefits, lemon juice is highly acidic. Consuming a lot of it can cause decay in tooth enamel over time. Lemons are acidic, and too much acidity on your teeth can lead to tooth erosion. Tooth or dental erosion is the chemical loss of mineralized tooth substances. It is caused by exposure to acids not derived from oral bacteria, aka citrus fruits. If you're experiencing toothaches and pains, especially when you eat, or tooth sensitivity, then consider changing your eating and drinking habits.